Hello everyone, this is Kevin. Today I will teach you to make the woman jeans patterns. Open the DGS file format last week. Edit the green line direction. OK. Use the 4Fx tool to make the patterns. I can left-click the line or box select lines. Right-click on the line in sequence. The lines change color. Right-click to make pattern. And the curve shape changes. Now select the auxiliary lines. Right-click to finish. Move the mouse over the pattern and click the space key. The cursor shape changes to a hand. Drag the mouse to move the pattern. Right-click to end. This is the back pattern. Make the front pattern now. Left key to select lines in sequence. Right-click to change the cursor and select the auxiliary lines. Move the pattern. Make the pocket, placket, and waist patterns. Extend here. The pattern is now finished. I can open the side table to change the pattern board color. Use the green line tool to change the green line. I can right-click on the green line to change direction. Or left-click to points. Use the seam tool to edit the seam. I can click the F7 to show or hide the seam. Box select lines and right-click to show the dialog. There are seam type, and there edit the number. The seam is added. Add the notch now. Use the notch tool. Right-click the line or points. Edit the piece information. Double left-click the piece in the pattern list to display the pattern info bar. Edit the piece name, material, copies. Click the Apply to Finish and change to Next Piece. Edit all pieces information. The pattern is completed. I can add size inside table to grade the pattern. Add size here. Right-click on the number to select a disposition number. Also, I can write a disposition number on here. Unclick it. OK. The pattern has been graded. Save the file. Thanks for watching.